Hey, what's up you guys? So behind me we have the incredible Subaru BRZ GT86, and I've developed this amazing turbo kit for it. It's version 1, and today we are going to be fitting it and seeing how long exactly it takes for one man to fit this entire kit. So before we get started with the installation, I'm just going to run you through the product list to see what all we have and what you guys can expect in this kit if you guys are interested in fitting one yourselves. Right guys, so in front of you can see all the parts that belong to this turbo kit, and I must say it is very extensive, and I'm very happy and proud of this work just because this turbo kit covers everything. I see there's a lot of kits that you can purchase online that require you to do some cutting or removal of the impact bar, which is not very safe, and some of the kits don't even supply an impact bar. So in this kit you're covered with literally everything. If you had this turbo kit on your car and you wanted to change it back to stock, it will literally take you a couple of hours. So let's start off with this assembly over here. Here we've got a Setrab 19 row oil cooler, we've got an intercooler, and here's an impact bar. Everything fits on here as a unit, and it slides in and is secured by the factory standard 4 bolts on either side. So this kit was developed around Garrett G25-660, which is the 660 horsepower capable turbo, which I think is absolutely perfect for these vehicle variants. So this kit will fit on the BRZ GT86 and the Scion FRS. Next we have our header system, which this is an unequal length header, and I'm super excited to hear what this sounds like. So you guys are going to be hearing it for the first time as well as I am. So another option that comes with this kit is a equal length header, which might be better for some of you guys which don't really like the rumble noise, but classic boxer, and that's kind of what we want. This kit comes with a precision 39mm wastegate and BMC air filter. We've got a vacuum distribution block, as well as dump valve is included. We have a port for our map sensor, but when doing tuning it isn't 100% required, as you can use a map sensor which fits into the intake, but that would need to be upgraded. Next we have a oil catch can which vents to atmosphere, but there are other ways around for emissions to have it recirculate back in the intake. But this kit is more orientated around performance, as well as more of a stealthy kind of fit, but a nice clean OEM look to it as well.